If you are looking for more opportunities to speak in front of people and to give presentations and be invited to the table to do so, today we're going to discuss a very important concept that I'd like to help you understand that will help change the number of opportunities that you see. Well, let's discuss. Well, welcome to Legal Marketing Minutes, where I share short bursts of current marketing news and advice. I'm your host, Nancy Myrland. If we haven't met, I'm a marketing, content, social, and digital media speaker, trainer, and advisor for lawyers and legal marketers. Your time is valuable, so let's get started, okay? Well, I recently saw a question on a listserv, a legal marketing listserv, saying one of my lawyers wants to speak more, and he wants to get in front of more audiences. What are some of your best recommendations for that? And some of the answers were things like, call your chamber. They're always looking for speakers, Chamber of Commerce. And somebody else said, how about the bar section? Volunteer to speak in front of other lawyers that way, because those could be referral sources. And so several really, really good suggestions came out, and I read them and sat back for a while, which I do sometimes. I observe before I offer my 2 cents, because it's way too easy for me to offer my 2 cents that becomes 5 and then 10. And I try not to drown out the discussion. But I then answered and said, if you think about it from a different perspective, number one, do all of those things that everybody just suggested before me. Absolutely. Those are great ideas. But the other thing is to help that lawyer understand that that lawyer is in charge of, and it was a man that she was talking about, help that lawyer understand that he has control of all of these speaking opportunities and the number of them that come his way, because he can become his own media empire, if you will. Those weren't the words I used at the time, but let's break this down a little bit. What does that mean? Well, it means that if you want to get in front of more people, then use social and digital media to do it. Don't wait for somebody to invite you to be a guest on their podcast or to give a presentation to, a nonprofit that might be full of your clients. If you want to get in front of those people, put yourself in front of those people. And how do you do that? Well, you might just already have this swimming around in your head. There are a number of ways. You can do that via a podcast, and you could sit down right now, and if I said, what are the 5 things you would love to talk to these groups about, then I have a feeling it would be very easy for you to come up with 5 ideas about what you would like to say to those groups that might be helpful to them, and in the process would show your knowledge. And if you have those 5 topics, if you have 10 topics, however many you have, those can become the topics for either podcast episodes or LinkedIn articles, or maybe a longer LinkedIn update. Could be on Facebook, depends on your presence on Facebook. You might have a page, or you might have a personal profile, so you'll know what's appropriate for which group. It could be on Twitter. It could be that you produce, you can do it any way that you want. You can write it. You can do a blog post. You can, as I mentioned, do a podcast. You can do video, and that can even mean short video. If you like stories, the stories format on Facebook, and now we have stories on LinkedIn. If you don't have them, you're going to. I've been testing them for about the past week or so. And so those can be 15, 20-second videos that you place on those platforms, very short form. Those go away in 24 hours, so you don't have to worry about them if you're not real excited about how they turned out. Or, let's say on LinkedIn, you can just hold your phone or put it in a clamp. There are really inexpensive clamps that clamp onto desks, and put your phone in it, or you can just hold it and talk for a couple minutes about a certain area that you think is important to your clients and your prospects and your referral sources, and just talk, and then post those. Just upload them right from your phone and add a comment, preface what you're uploading, and just saying, I just recorded a message for you about the XYZ topic. And if you do that on a consistent basis, then you are probably going to get more mileage doing that, because you are doing it consistently, sending messages that are very important, again, to your clients and prospects and referral sources, than if you waited to get invited to speak in front of groups on a very irregular basis. And there are only so many of those slots to do that and to give presentations. So take control of this and start sending your own messages. Write down the topics that you would like to talk to people about, and then figure it out. Figure out whether or not you would like to do it via the written word, the spoken word, or the recorded word, recorded video, if you will. And again, don't sit back and wait for anybody. You become your own media and decide that you're going to post your messages. Yes, still try to get in front of groups to present to them, because that's wonderful and that will always be a good idea. Right now, it's a little little tough because this world is so virtual and virtual meetings are going through a transition, but don't stop trying to do those. But yes, take control and send your own messages. Become your own media empire, if you will. It doesn't have to be an empire, but you know what I mean. All right, well, that's it for today's Legal Marketing Minutes. Please do me a favor and let me know your thoughts about this topic. If you're listening on a platform where you can leave a comment, please do so. Let me know if you've had any luck doing this. And if not, you can always find me on my blog at myrlandmarketing.com, which is MYRLAND marketing.com. And lawyers, if you are interested, I would love to have you sign up to be notified when I launch the Lawyers Marketing Academy VIP, which I'm very excited about, is my new online training and coaching academy for lawyers to work on personal branding, social and digital media, all of these things in an effort to, and content marketing, all of these things in an effort to establish and nurture relationships and grow your practice online, which has never been more important. So I invite you to go to my website again, myrlandmarketing.com, and just look for the Academy tab there at the top in navigation, and you'll be led right to a place where you can just put your name on a list so that I'll notify you with more information when the time comes. There's no obligation. It really is just to be notified, and then you can make the decision from there. All right, thank you so much for spending a few legal marketing minutes with me. I know your time is valuable, so I appreciate you spending a few of them right here with me. Until next time, I'm Nancy Myrland. Take care.